Masala Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tandoori chicken marinade and freeze it. And in my next video, I'll show you how you can cook this. I'll post the ingredients on the screen. In one bowl, you're going to mix together all the spices except for the yogurt. And it's really important that you use fresh lime juice or lemon juice. The bottle kind is okay if you don't have fresh. Also remember, this is a lot of chicken and you need all this masala. Once you've mixed everything up, you're going to start dipping your chicken pieces. Here's the tip. Make sure your chicken is washed and patted dry with paper towels. Thoroughly coat your chicken, then add yogurt. Please read the caption. The yogurt is going to give the chicken some moisture when it's cooking. I like to place my chicken pieces on a tray, freeze them, and then take them off and put them in a freezer bag. This chicken is mild. To make it spicy, you can sprinkle the top of the chicken with crushed chili flakes. Freeze these pieces, and now I'm going to show you how you can store these. You can place them in these large freezer-safe containers or even Ziploc bags. You can separate the pieces by using either foil or saran wrap or even parchment paper. Cover, label, and keep them in your freezer for up to 1 month. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can take the frozen pieces and cook them for dinner. Watch out for my video on how to make these. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Masala Mama.